I am Professor Ajay Tribhuvan, Assistant Professor in Zoology, Swami Muktananda Vignan Mahavidyalay, Yaula. My research paper title is Seasonal Population Dynamics of Cystod Parasites of Marine Fish Trigon species from Thane district, Maharashtra state, India. The abstract. This is the minor study of the population dynamics of the cystod parasites in trigon fish species from various localities of Thane district during the period of April 2017 to March 2018. Total 165 cystod parasites collected out of 270 trigon fish. The trigon fish infected with the families the Tentacularidae, Lacinicephalidae, and the Gymnorhynchidae. This report shows that the high prevalence of the cystod parasites recorded in summer seasons, moderate in winter season, and the low in the rainy season. The keywords: the population dynamics, trigon species, cystodes, Thane. The introduction. Fishes are the main source of the food, having biomolecules such as the protein, lipid, vitamins. They play an important role in the national economy. Fishes are the staple food for the human in India and ultimately the supports for the economy. Smiths and the Roberts states that the endoparasitic helminths with indirect life cycles involve one or the more hosts. The Diogel et al. Stated that the adverse periodical changes in water such as the temperature, pH and the conductivity affect on the occurrence of parasites from aquatic host. These climatic conditions host B were influenced by the habitat and seasonal, while physical state external factors affect the internal conditions. Materials and methods. From the vicinity of the Thane districts, marine water fishes were collected during the period of April 2017 to March 2018, as soon as the fish were collected and examined for cystid infection. The collected cystodes were washed in saline solution and preserved in 4% formalin for further taxonomical studies. Cystod parasites were stained by the Harris hematoxylin, dehydrated, cleared in xylene, mounted in DPX. Identification was carried out with the help of standard identification keys. The data of collected parasites recorded carefully, showing the seasonal population dynamics through the one annual cycle. The percentage, incidence, intensity, density is analyzed by the using formulae. The incidence of the infection is calculated by this formula. The infected host into the 100 divided by the total number of hosts examined. The intensity of infection is calculated by this formula: the number of parasites collected in a sample divided by the number of infected hosts. The density of infection is calculated by the number of parasites collected in a sample divided by the number of hosts examined. And the index of infection, the number of hosts infected into the number of parasites is collected, number of hosts examined. Result and discussions. The population dynamics result shows that out of 271 trigon marine fishes, 116 means that is the 39.11% fishes were infected with the infected cystod parasites family, the Tentacularidae, the Lacinicephalidae, and the Gymnorhynchidae. From this district, from Thane district, a total 166 were found during one annual cycle. During present investigation, the infection of cystod parasites to the host is higher in summer, moderate in winter, and low in rainy season. The value of the incidence, intensity and density and index of infection of cystod parasites are shown in table number 1. This is the tabulated form of the showing the incidence, number of hosts observed, number of the infected, total number of cystod collected, incidence and the intensity, density, index of infection. This is the table which is showing the data from April 17 to the March 18, and this is the highest peak point of the collection in the May 48, where the cystod species are the infected more than 48 about the 28, while in the March 18 the 35 species, out of that the 19 is infected, while in February the more infection is occur that the 55 species which is the observed infected, the total 55 from 55 the 23 is the infected is there. Then this is the graph which is showing the population dynamics, which also shows the incidence, intensity, density, index of infection. So this is the graphical representation which is showing the peak points in that the February and the March, May and the February month of this, while in the May of 17 and the February in the 18th is there. These are the some host fish is the trigon, and some of the images of this the cystod parasites. Then the acknowledgement is the authors are the grateful to the head of the Department of Zoology, SDM College, Kalam, for provided the laboratory facility. Also the authors are the grateful to the Department of Zoology, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar University, Aurangabad, and these are my research associates, the Rahul Gaikwad and Vijay Pawar, and the thanks to all the participants, all the resource persons,